Hi, my name is Funmilayo Adegbite, a student of E86 Limited. I'm here to present on Advanced Excel. I'll be looking into HLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, look into sum ifs, averages, count ifs, and also touch pivot table. We'll be using November 14th, 2014 supermarket sales record as my case study. Stay tuned. Okay, here is the details for December 2014 data. We have the sales, the total revenue for the year, we have the region which the sales came from. We also have the ship details, we have the date, we have the ship name, we have the charges for the shipping, that's the shipping fee. We also have the categories of products that was sold. We have beverages, we have coffee, we have soup, candy, and varieties. So I was able to use the sum if to get some facts about to get a particular figure or the total sales, total revenue of company F from the data given. And I was also able to get the sum if for products from coffee and beverages, sum if which has two criteria. That's sum if, the sum if S. Also, I was able to make use of the average if to get the total average of sales of chocolates, which I love so much. Yeah. So we're able to get the average. Okay, the pivot table was also considered to get the total sales and also the top sales for that particular year. Bar chart was used, slicer, and then some other pivot tools, which was used to consider and to know the total quantity sold, the revenue that was considered, and the product, the total product, the best total product for that year. That's the end of my presentation. Thanks to Mr. Dami, our instructor. Thanks to Mr. Gbenga for the encouragement and the entire crew. Elizabeth, I can't forget that. Thank you so much. If you like the presentation, can I like? Thank you.